Hey everyone! In this video, we'll learn how to reset a WordPress website step by step. Let's begin. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. From the left menu, click on Plugins, then click on Add New. In the search bar, type WP Reset. Install the plugin, then click Activate. Next, go back to Plugins Add New again, or All-in-One WP Migration. Install and activate this plugin too. Now on the left menu, you'll see All-in-One WP Migration. Click on it and select Export. Click on Export to, then choose File. It will create a backup of your website. Download and save it. Now go back to the WP Reset plugin from the left menu. Scroll down to the Reset section. Uncheck the confirmation box, type Reset in the field, and click on Reset Site. Your site will refresh and be fully reset. After that, open your website and refresh the page. Check that it's reset. Now restore it using your backup or saved version. Go to the Plugins section again. Want to restore your website? Go to All-in-One WP Migration. Click on Import, then upload the backup file you downloaded earlier. That's it. Your WordPress site is now reset and ready to use again. If this video helped, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.